At Emtez, we take pride in being the UK's leading steel manufacturer. Our bunded storage units are a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality and compliance. Here to explain why our bunded units are perfect for your business is our sales manager, Ben Seddon.
Hi, my name is Ben Seddon. I'm one of the sales managers here at Emtez. I've been with the business 17 years, and I'm just here to show you around one of our bunded storage units. The storage unit is predominantly designed for storage outside externally. It's welded construction, keeps it fully watertight for outside storage. However, it can be stored inside. The unit is fully secure. It can be locked with key through the barrel lock. Alternatively, there is also a hasp where you can affix a padlock for added security should that be required. Storage units come with easy glide opening doors for easy access in and out with forklift truck. One of the key features of an Emtez bunded storage unit is its welded construction, unlike some of our competition, which has rivets or screws. Ours is a welded construction, which means it gives it strength and durability. That enables us to give it our 20-year structural guarantee. This specific unit is designed to hold 8 IBCs or 8 pallets. At the base of the unit is a fully welded constructed sump. This sump is designed to hold 25% of the contents of the liquid, which meets UK regulations. Above the sump, we have pallet channels. These are designed to hold an IBC or a pallet safely in the unit. And the shelf above, this is made up of box section, which again is designed to hold pallets and IBCs safely. This is one of our standard units. However, we do offer additional features. Should you require temperature control, we can offer air conditioning. If you require heating for products that need to be kept at a higher temperature, we can offer heating. Lighting can be added to the unit. We also offer a sun protection should you be storing aggressive or nasty chemicals. If you're looking for something a bit more tailored, we have an in-house design team that can look to build something specifically for your needs to suit your application and processes.
With over 37 years of experience, Emtez is the UK's #1 choice for premium storage solutions. Contact us today for more information.